Three.
Hello, my name is Marco Hernandez and I will be demonstrating how to graph compound inequalities with interval notation. Things you must know. When graphing compound inequalities with interval notation, your signs will change. A greater than or less than sign will turn into a parentheses. A greater than or less than sign with a line in the bottom will turn into brackets. An and inequality is one problem, where either the parentheses or brackets face one another, for example. An or inequality is two problems, and it has its signs facing opposite from one another, like this.
Cool.
What you want to do first is get m by itself, so I'm going to add 5 to each side. What this would do is the 5 will cancel. 3 and 7. Okay, so the line's in the bottom, so that means it's brackets. 7 and the 3. There?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, what end up being is bracket 3, 7, bracket. And that is your final answer. Now with the OR problem, like I said, you have to get the variable by itself, so minus 5 to each side. X is less than negative 7, or at get rid of the 5 on each side, so minus 5, which is x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Okay, so to put this on the number line is x is greater than negative 3, so it goes the opposite way. And x is less than negative 7, so it goes the opposite way. And your answer will be parentheses, because you always start from the parentheses from when it's infinite, so it's a negative infinite, negative 7. Bracket starting off, you start off with negative 3 and you end with a negative positive infinity. And that is your final answer. Stop it. Okay, so what I would end up being is reducing, so negative 2 over 5 radical a stays by itself 2. Okay, and remember, when dividing by a negative, all signs switch. So let's say it was a negative 50, these will turn around. Okay. Alright, now let's put this on the number line. So negative 2/5 is, let's say, about here. And there's no line under, so it's a parentheses. And then 2. So my final answer would be parentheses, negative 2/5, comma, 2, parentheses. Alright, now to solve the OR problem. So you simplify. So what I'm going to do is add 1 to each side. Cancels. 5. 2x plus 5. 3x. So now I'll get rid of the 2x. Minus 2x. Which just leaves me with x is greater than 5. And now the other one. So get rid of the 2. Cancels. That's 2. 5x less than 3x plus 6. Get rid of the 3x. Minus 3x. So it's 2x is less than 6 divided by 2 divided by 2. X is less than 3, which would be X is greater than 5 or X is less than 3. Okay, now like I said, no line in the bottom, so it's parentheses, and it's an OR problem, so they're facing opposite directions, so 3 and 5. And our final answer would be parentheses negative infinity 3 parentheses union symbol parentheses 5 comma and positive infinity, and that is your final answer. And this is how you solve compound inequalities with interval notation.